So you may access different types of files inside of Adobe Bridge time and again, but you may forget which one you have access to recently. So if you want to go ahead and access recent files, then you can go around over here on the top and then go around over here onto the recent file section. So you can reveal all of the recent files right here just like this as well. And then what happens is that you get access to all of the recent files. So you can see that it has opened up recent files, and you can see that these are the recent files that I have accessed. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can also go around over here onto the recent files and then see what recent files you have accessed in different applications. Like in Adobe Illustrator, you have accessed these files, and in InDesign, you have accessed these files. In Photoshop, you have accessed these files, and so forth, as you can see right here. You can access only the images and all recent files as well, let's say for example, and you can also clear out the recent file history as well, just like this, and it won't show the recent files anymore. And that is how you can utilize the recent file option inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.